Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back. So today's video, I have these little packages from AliExpress, and I did cut them open and peek inside, and I'm just going to show you what I received. Now, I was waiting for these. These are the wine glass rings, but in silver. I had ordered them in gold, and I was like, oh, I should have really ordered them at the same time in the different colors, but I didn't. So now I have those. And then these two came together in one of their packages, which, you know, I don't know. If they're going to do that, I don't know why they're doing that, but then why am I paying shipping on each individual package? But who knows, maybe I'm not. So look how they came. And like, I know that I'm expecting, like, I think the only thing I'm waiting on is like charms or something. So I'm curious. I'm going to open these together because it feels like there's nothing in here. And if I order charms and I get one charm, I'm going to be mad, guys. I'm going to be really mad. And I got to really pay attention to what I'm doing when I go on AliExpress. So I'm just going to kind of cut through here because there doesn't seem to be anything. Ow, scissors are short. Doesn't seem to be anything here. Oh, okay. Oh, look at, they're so cute. These are the little, like Happy Mail charms. I should have got more of these too. I always order just one because you never know, really, you know, but honestly, I haven't been too disappointed in much that I've ordered from Ali. And most of the time, if I am disappointed, it's my mistake of what was ordered. So look at how adorable these are. They are small. So let's see. They are like half an inch and half an inch. So they're itty bitty. Oh, see, when I only order a slight amount, then I just want to hoard them, and that's not good, right? So I think I'm going to go and order more of those. All right, so that was that. Now let's open this. Now, what was the other charm I'm waiting on? I looked on my list yesterday. I forget what it was then. So let's see what these are. Look at how they wrap this stuff. So funny. So what are you guys doing? I started binge watching Scandal. Let me tell you, I don't know why I didn't watch this show when it was on. I did watch I Had to Get Away with Murder when it was on. I think they were on like next to each other, like back to back. But amazing show. I'm loving it. And I think I like binge watching it better than waiting a week in between. Okay, so I did order these, and actually, guys, these did not take that long to get here, and I'm hoping that they're gonna work. So they're just gold discs, like spacer beads. So let's see if we can show you that. Right, so I hope I didn't order them too small. You get 50 of them in there. These are, well, I guess we'll go millimeters, right? So, well, it's half a centimeter, which I guess would be, these are millimeters, so that would be 5, because there's 1, 2, is there 10 on each? Yeah, so there'd be 10, so it's 5 millimeters, right? And then if we go inches, it's like a quarter, just about a quarter of an inch, a tad smaller than that. So I'm thinking these are going to be perfect, just in the charms and, you know, dangles, little bracelets, just to put some little space in between there. So that is it, guys. We got our wine wire, whatever the heck they're called. We got our spacer beads, 50 pieces, and we got these adorable AliExpress envelopes. And look, they even have like a piece of paper in there with writing on it. How stinking cute. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love watching the crafty AliExpress hauls. It really gives me a chance to see what else is out there that you don't see on the AliExpress feed. So I hope that this helps you guys too when it comes to, you know, different things that you want in your crafty stash. All right, have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.